Today we're going to do the math message together. If you are on Everyday Math on your slides, you should go to the math message slide and we'll do this together. If not, if you have a piece of paper, just get a piece of paper and draw along with us as we do the math message. The first question on this math message is, you have 8 apples for sale and you want to display them in an array. How many different ways can you arrange them? Create arrays to show your thinking. So basically they want us to show an array of 8. How can you show an array of 8? You can take the dot that is on your slides, or if you just have a pencil, you can just draw the circles. And I believe you drag them over to make an array. So I'm going to drag the dots over. 1, 2, 3, 4. You should be doing this too. An array has equal amount on both sides. So here's another one. 2. The rows should be equal. There's 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can do that. Or you could have done, we could also go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we have 2 rows of 4, and here we have 4 rows of 2. The other one we could do is, let's see if I can do it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way down here, 8. Or we could go all the way over here and make 1, 2, oops, hold on a minute, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I have 4 different arrays. This one is, we already talked about the 2 rows of 4, 4 rows of 2. This is 8 rows of 1, and this is 1 row of 8. Now the way we can write this is, let's see if I can write this here. 8 times 1 equals 8. And 1 times 8 equals 8. And this one right here would be 2 rows times 4 equals 8. And over here we have 4 rows, hold on, 4 rows of 2, and it equals 8 as well. So this is called the commutative property of multiplication. So 4 times 2 equals 8 is the same as 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 times 1 equals 8, and 1 times 8 equals 8. This is called the commutative property of multiplication, and we're going to work more on this today.